Talking versus doing, killing the mild diarrhea symptoms. Hi and welcome to today's episode of the Blunt Talkative Show. I'm Olade Ade with the Blunt Talkative. So today I want to talk about talking versus doing. There's this popular song by Adekunle Gold that goes, "Enu Oshe, ariwo kan ni music go, empty barrel o ma pariwo." Ariwo kan ni music go. Well, for those who don't understand Yoruba language, he's only trying to say MC Barrel make the loudest noise. So talking is not the real deal. Now, a lot of us these days just do talking and talking. Yes, we've got this big idea. Instead of us putting in action, instead of us working on it, we go talking about it to everybody that comes our way. We let them know that, oh, I've got this great idea, so thing. We keep on talking. Then days gone by, months gone by, years are rolling, and we found out that we have not even achieved anything. The only thing we've just been doing all this while is talking about it. Now, it's not as if sometimes we don't have to talk, but there's a saying that a closed mouth is a closed destiny. But I would say a running mouth is a doomed destiny, because while others are doing it, while others are working on it, you are only talking about it. And mind us, an idea is not going to come to an existence just by talking. You have to put in some steps, you have to put in the strategies, you have to put in the actions. Talking alone will not bring an idea to reality. So many of us put in, so many of us have talked away our destiny, we've talked away our lives, we've talked away our opportunities, we've talked away ourselves, all because we just want everybody to know we have the great idea. We want people to know that, oh, we are a brain box of idea. We just want so many people to know that, yes, when it comes to idea, we are intelligent. While others are then achieving it, we just found out we are not even achieving anything. The only thing we are achieving is talking about it to everybody. But I just want to speak to someone today. When you've got this idea, when you've got this big vision, you don't need to go about telling everybody about it. You don't need to let people know that, yes, you're a brain box of idea. Put in the action. Let your success speak loud. Let your success speak for you. You don't need to tell everybody when you haven't done anything. Like, we only know people we love genuinely. You don't know people, or we are not so sure about the people who love us genuinely. I only know the people I love. I don't really know the people who love me as much as I love them. So before you go about telling people about that your idea, before you go about spreading that idea, start it. Let there be some action on ground. Don't just be a talking person. Be an action. Be a doing person. Yes, it's more easy to talk, but it's more better when you are doing it than talking about it. Now, I could go on and on talking about why we need to take that action, but you know what? It's December. A lot of us are going to be doing the reflection of how we spend the years, but some of us by the end of this year, we just found out that we just spent our years just talking and we never put any action. A lot of us are going to be bringing the hashtag, the new vision, hashtag 2020 resolution. But remember, next year, even if you are going to be putting in the new year resolution, don't just talk about it to people, to friends and everything. Put some action into it. Do it. Remember, like, a running mouth is a wronged destiny, is a doomed destiny. Like, don't stop, kill this mad diarrhea that you have. Yes, there's this Dr. Dike Olukoya always said a lot of us have mouth diarrhea. We need to kill this romance diarrhea. You need to stop just talking. Put action. Let your volume be loud when the success is speaking for yourself. I remember the Blunt Talkative. You can always like, subscribe, please share this video, tell a friend to tell another friend to come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much to those who have been subscribing, to those who have been liking, to those who have been viewing. And to another episode on the Blunt Talkative Show, I remain Ololade Ade. Remember, it is the responsibility of every human to make the world a better place.